So in today's video, we are going to see quick sort method. Okay. So we are going to take this as example and algorithm is given. So after seeing this quick sort method manually, then we go for a algorithm. Okay. So in this quick sort method, what we do means we are taking any number, we are selecting any number as a pivot element or pivot element. Okay. Then we used to sort the number according to that pivot element. Okay. So we call it as P is a pivot element. So here I am taking the first number as a pivot element. Okay. So what do you mean by pivot means whenever we are sorting the array, we are selecting any number as a pivot element. So in some cases, somebody is taking last number as a pivot element. Any number we are able to choose it up as the pivot element. So in our method, I am selecting first number as a pivot element. Okay, and according to the first number pivot element, what I am going to do means I am going to place the pivot element into the appropriate place, and we are dividing the array into two sub arrays. Okay, then we are doing the same thing again in the each and every sub array. So through this way, we are going to sort the number in ascending order. Okay. So suppose I am taking this as a pivot element and I am going to choose the next number, pivot next number as I and the last number as j. Okay. So I am telling you manually first, then we go for a algorithm. So what is it? At the time of after selecting I and j and pivot, we used to check it up. If I is less than, what is it? I is less than or equal to pivot. And one more thing is I am going to select whether j is greater than pivot. Okay. So these two comparisons we are going to do. Okay. How we are going to do means, suppose I am taking I 3 is less than or equal to 5. Condition true here because 3 is a lesser number than 5. And whenever it is true, we are incrementing I by 1. I goes to the next number. Now we are taking I 8 is less than or equal to 5. Here it is condition is true. Okay. Here the condition is false. Because 8 is greater number, I am checking whether it is less than or equal to. Whenever it is false, I go to j. Okay. I go to j. When I go to j, what I am doing means I am checking that j is greater than pivot element or not. Here we are checking I is less than pivot. Here I am checking j is greater than pivot. What I am going to do means I am dividing the array elements into according to the pivot element. Whatever the lesser number, we are pushing lesser numbers into the left hand side and we are pushing greater numbers into the right hand side, and I am going to place the pivot element in the appropriate place. Okay, this is what we are going to do. So what is it? Next time j. What is j? J value it is 7. 7 is greater than 5. Condition true here. Whenever it is true, here in this case we are incrementing I. Whenever it is true, we are decrementing j. J comes here. Is the point clear? Because the condition is true. This whenever it is true, we are decrementing j by 1. So what is it? Second number is 2. 2 is greater than 5. Condition here it is false. Whenever it is false, we stop. Here at the time of checking I is lesser number. Whenever it is lesser, I am incrementing I. For j, whenever is greater number, we are decrementing j. Okay. So we stop here j. And at the time, we used to check it up. I is less than j. What is I value here? I value, suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers are there. I is third value. If I is less than j, what is I value here? 3 is less than j value it is 7. So condition true here. If it is true, we used to swap I and j. We used to swap I and j. So this I goes here into the, what is that, jth position. Then j value, it comes to the ith position. So what happens here? 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, 8, 7. Is the point clear? So what is I position? I position is here same. J position here it is same. Now P is pivot element is same 5. Again I am doing the same thing. Whenever I come across all the numbers, p value, what we do, I. So what is I value here? I value is 2. 2 is less than 5, pivot, yes, true. True means what we do, we are incrementing I by 1. And once again, I 1 less than 5, condition less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5, it is true because it is lesser number. So I is incremented by 1. Then 4 is less than or equal to 5, condition true. True means what we do, we are incrementing I by 1. Now 6 is less than or equal to 5, here condition false. If it is false, we go for j. We go for j. So what is j value? J value is 8. So what I do, I have to check it. J is greater than 5, pivot value. It is true. True means decrementing j by 1. 6 is greater than 5. Yes, true. This is true. This is also true. 6 is greater than 5. It is also true. True means j is decremented by 1. Then 4. What is j value? 4. 4 is greater than pivot value 5. Condition here, it is false. Whenever it falls, both I and j, we used to compare the I and j position. Here we compare that I is less than j. Condition, if I is less than j, we interchange I and j. Suppose I is not less than j, we interchange some other. Okay, so what is j value here? J value is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th position, and I value is in 6th position. 6 is not less than 5. Condition false here. It is true here. Here it is false. Whenever condition false, what I do? I have to interchange j and pivot value. So the pivot value goes here. J comes here. What is the resultant array? Resultant array is 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 8, 7. Is the point clear? What I am doing means, after interchanging 5, we assume that 5 is sorted. 5 is sorted. Why it is 5 is sorted? We are placing the pivot element into the appropriate place. For example, what is the numbers here? 4, 3, 2, 1 is there. 4, 3, 2, 1 is there. And suppose it is arranged in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7. Suppose 6, 7, 8 means what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 is, we are placing 5 into the appropriate, what is it, position. So we are dividing the array into 2. What is it? We are dividing the array into 2. This is first array. This is second array. Okay. So what I am doing now? I am doing again the same thing. What is it? Now 4 is a pivot element. I here, j it is here. Is the point clear? So what we do? We are doing the same thing again. I must be less than pivot. What is I value? 3. 3 is less than 4, pivot value. Yes, condition true. If it is true, what we do? We are I is incremented by 1. 2 is less than 4. I current value 2. 2 is less than 4. This is also true. And we are incrementing I by 1. 1 is less than 4. Condition again true. I goes out of range. So whenever it goes out of range, we take j because it go beyond the limit. So we are taking j. What is j value? J value is 1. 1 is greater than 4. Condition 1 is greater than 4 means it is false because 1 is less than 4. So if it is false, what we do? We are checking I and j position. What is I position? J position. So j position is in 4th stage. I position is in 5th one. So if I less than 4, what is it? If I less than 4, condition fails. So condition here it is false. Whenever it is false, what we do? We are interchanging pivot value and j value. J value comes here, pivot goes here. Okay. So just a minute, I'll write the same here. After interchanging, what is the value? It is 1, 3, 2, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. and 5 it is already sorted. 6, 8, 7. So now what happens? Here 4 is also sorted. So 4 is also sorted. So this is also divided into 2 arrays because 4, 5 already sorted. This is the first array, this is the second array. So what we do again, we have to do the same thing in the first array. What we do, we are taking this as a pivot, this is pivot, this is I, this is j. So what we do, we have to check it up. 3 is less than pivot element or not. Why I less than pivot? What is the condition here? Condition is fail, false. False means we go for j. J means it is at 2 is greater than 1. Condition true. True means j comes here. Then we are checking 3. 3 greater than 1. 3 greater than 1. Condition true. True means j is decremented by 1. So this is what is it? True. This is also true. Then what is the current j value? 1 greater than 1. 1, j is 1, pivot also 1. 1 greater than 1 means this is false. This false means what we do? We have to interchange the j value and the pivot value. Both are same. So that's why it is taken from there and place it there. So it means that 1, 3, 2. It means that 1 is also sorted. 3, 2 remaining. 4, 5 already sorted. Then 6, 8, 7 remaining. Is the point clear? So this is what we are doing. Okay. So now next step is we want to sort this one. So what is it? P is 3 is pivot. I is 2. What is J? J is also 2. Because first number, what is it? Second number is I. Last number is J. In this case, second number is I. Last number is also the same number. So that's why I, this is the same number. It takes I and J value. So now what we do, we have to check it up. What is that? 2 is less than 3. What is the condition? 2 less than 3. Condition true. True means I is incremented by 1. I go beyond the limit. So we are unable to do. What we are taking j. What is j value? J value is 2. 2 is greater than 3. Condition false. False means what we do? We are condition false means so j greater than what is it? 3 false. So if it is false, we stop there. Now we have to check it up I and j position. What is j position? J position is 2. What is I position? I position is 3. So if 3 less than 2, what is it? This is also false. If it is false, we have to interchange j and pivot. What is j value here? It is 2. Pivot value it is 3. So what is it? 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The whole all numbers are sorted. 6, 8, 7 remaining. Is the point clear? 6, 8, 7 is remaining. Now I sort the first array. We are coming to second array. So in the second array, 6 is a pivot element. This is I, this is j. Because this is the second number, this is a last number. What we do now? I have to check again. What is that? I 8 less than 6. What is that? 8 less than 6. Condition it is false because 8 is a greater number, 6 is a lesser number. So that's why it is false. Now I come to j. What is j value? J value it is 7. So 7 is greater than 6. Condition true. 7 greater than 6 true. J is decremented by 1. 8 greater than 6. Condition true. Because j is decremented by 1. So 6 greater than 6 false. If false means we have to check the I and j value. What is I value? I value it is 2. J value it is 1. So that's why 2 less than 1 means it is also false. If it is false, we have to interchange pivot and j. Pivot and j. So it is same number. So same number means what is that? This is also sorted. We are taking 6 and we are replacing 6 in the same place. So this is also sorted. Now unsorted numbers are these two. So what we do? This is pivot and this is I. The same number is j. Okay. Now what we do? We have to check. What is that? We have to check it list of I. What is that? I 7 is less than 8. What is the condition? Condition is true. True means I is incremented by 1. So if I is incremented, I go beyond the limit. We are taking j. What is j value? J value is 7. 7 is greater than 8. Condition here also false. Here false. What is the I and j value? J value is 2. I value is 3. So 3 less than 2. This is also false. If it is false, what we do? We have to interchange pivot and j. So that's why these two numbers are interchanged. These two numbers are interchanged. So now the values are 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So now the numbers are sorted through quick sort method. Is the point clear? So this is the manual representation of quick sort method. Okay. So now we come to the algorithm. So now you come to the algorithm, the procedure. Procedure quick sort list FL. What is that? Quick sort of list FL. F is nothing but first number, L is nothing but last number. So what we do inside that, we are checking that if first number, this is first number, this is last number. Okay. What is the first number? First number is 1. Last number is here 8. So we are checking that if 1 less than 8, condition true. As per the algorithm. As per algorithm it is true. If it is true, we come inside P equal to F. P it is nothing but pivot. Pivot element is F. What is F? F it is 5. I equal to F plus 1. Okay. What is I value? I value it is F plus 1. F is 1. F plus 1 means it is 3. Sorry. F plus 1 means it is 2. Second position. Okay. Then J equal to L. J equal to L. So J equal to now 8. It is in 8th position. Okay. So these are all the, what is it? The values we are taking the appropriate variable. Now we have to check while I less than j, while I less than j, what is I? 2 less than j 8. Condition true. True means we come inside while list of I, while list of I. What is list of I? List of I. List of 2. 3. We are taking 3 less than or equal to list of P. List of P means pivot. So what is it? Pivot pivot equal to 5. Okay, pivot equal to 5. So that's why it is 5. 3 less than or equal to 5. What is the condition? Condition true. Condition true means what is that? We are incrementing I by 1. It means that what is it? I is the second number, j is the last number as per the assignment. Then I am incrementing I by 1. Okay. So this is what we are doing. Again I am doing the same while loop. Until it fails, we are doing the same while loop. Once again we come to the same while loop. What is the second number? Second number is 8. 8 is less than or equal to 5. Now condition fails. This is true, but this is false. If it is false, we come out of this while loop. We are coming to this while loop. We are taking j value now. What is a list of j? What is list of j? While list of j is 7 is greater than list of p. What is it? Pivot it is the first element. List of p it is 5. Condition here it is true. If it is true, we are decrementing j equal to j minus 1. That is j comes here. Okay. So once again we are checking what is that? List of j. List of j is 2 greater than list of p. It is 5. Condition here it is false. It is false. So this is also false. Now we are checking I and j value. What is I value? I value is 3. If 3 less than 7, this is true. Okay, this condition is true. Whenever it is true, we interchange I and j. So that's why now I and j it is interchanged. This is interchanged. Okay, so this is interchanged. So what is the resultant value? Resultant value is 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, 8, 7. So this is the resultant value I and j in the same position. What is I value? I value is in the third position, j value in the 7th position. Okay, this is pivot is same. So once again what we do, we have to check this condition. Actually this if it is nothing but this if I less than j, swap two numbers I and j. So that's why we are swapping. Okay, swap I, list of I and list of j. Then end while. So that's why this while comes again. So what is I value here? This while I value is 3. Third position. 3 less than 7. Condition true. While 3 less than 7 it is true. True means it comes inside. So it takes again, what is that? I less than or equal to p. What is I value? 2 less than or equal to p. P it is 5. Okay. So the condition is true as per this while loop. Condition is true. True means I equal to I plus 1. So I becomes, what is I value? I previous value it is 3. Now I becomes 4. Okay. I becomes 4. Then once again the same while loop is executed. What is that? 1 less than 5. Condition true. So now I becomes 5. I is incremented. Once again, what is that? We are checking I. 4 is less than 5. Less than or equal to 5. Here also condition true. True means I is incremented by 1. Okay. I is incremented by 1. Now I am checking 6 less than 5. Condition here it is false. If it is false, we come to j. What is j value? What is it? This while loop it is terminated. This it starts this while loop. While j, what is it? List of j. What is list of j? List of j it is 8 is greater than list of p. Pivot it is 5. Condition true. So true means what is it? J equal to j minus 1. J previous value it is 7. 7 minus 1 it is 7 minus 1 it is 6. Okay. Once again we are checking 6 is greater than 5. Condition true. True means j minus 1. J previous value 6. 6 minus 1 5. So j comes here in the fifth position. Now I am checking 4 greater than 5. Condition false here because 4 is lesser number. It is checking that as a greater. So that's why it is false. So we stop the process. Now we are checking what is that? This while loop it is terminated. Now we are checking if I less than 5. Sorry, I less than j. What is I value? I value here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I value is 6. J value is 5. So condition here it is fails. It is false. If it is false, what is it? It comes out of the, if it is false, it comes out. It comes out of the loop. Okay, comes out of the loop. It comes here. What is it? In this position, swap list of p and list of j. So the list of j and list of p, it is swapped. Okay. So 5 goes there and 4 comes here. So the resultant position is, what is it? 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, then 6, 7, 8. Na? Somewhat I made a mistake. 6, 8, 7. Correct. 6, 8, 7. So this is what the resultant. This is all the resultant position. So what is it? As per this case, 5 is sorted. 5 is sorted. So that's why we are dividing the array into two positions. Again, we are following the same algorithm. And what is it? After this swapping, we are calling the quick sort. The same procedure again with new number. What is new number? List of f. F is first number. J minus 1. What is j? J here it is, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth value. So 5 minus 1, 4. It means that list of 1, 4. So it means that it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is P, this is J, this is I. So again the same, it is it. This quick sort is called with a new parameter value 1, 4. If first value 1, last value it is 4. So this is F, this is L. Okay. Again, once again we do the same thing as per the previous case, and we are sorting the numbers in order through quick sort method. Go through the algorithm again, just execute it with the, what is it? This array value. If you have any doubt, just you put your comments in the comment section. I will clarify you. Okay. So this is what quicksort method, and one more important information is time complexity. What is time complexity here? Again, as per the all cases of all cases of sorting, best case, average case, worst case, there are three cases of there. Best case, it is nothing but, what is best case? Best case, it is nothing but whatever the pivot number I am selecting, that pivot number, it is placed in the center of the array, and the array is divided into equal number of sub arrays. This is best case. Best case is the pivot number should be the centermost element. That is called best case. What is average case? In average case, the pivot element is not exactly center element. The pivot element may be one or two places may be differ from the center element. That is called as average case. What is worst case means, if I am selecting the pivot element goes the last end or it comes the first end, again the complexity is very huge. So that's why in the worst case only the time complexity is order of n square times, big O of n square times. Whereas in the best case and average case, if the pivot is there in the centermost element or pivot is more or less center element, means the time complexity is order of n log n. Okay, so this is what the time complexity in quicksort method. I hope you understand this.